I'm so bored. I just have this diamond sword. I hope nothing goes wrong with my diamond sword. Where's the chaos? Where's the chaos, Ahmed? Oh, it got turned into a sword. Oh, Sonic has it. Sonic? Serenic? Who has a name called Serenic? There's Sonic, actually. Who is Sonic and you? And why does he take the emerald? Oh, simply because he's dumb. Doesn't think we would get it. Dude, what's your problem? You took the chaos emerald and turned it into a weapon. I would never do such a thing. I mean, sir, I would never do such a thing. Why would you go? What? Apparently, well, you caught me at the right time, but why did you do it? It was the right time. Next time, just plan it better. I just got done eating my marathon of 1,028 chili dogs. What are chili dogs? Are you eating dogs that are Trillies? Chili dog. Not Trilly dog. You said Trilly dog. We're saying the same thing. Trilly dog. Chili dog. Trilly dog. You must tell me where it is, or else pain will involve my powerful fist, you, me, and that sword over there. In your butt. I don't know what it is, man. Oh, you do. The consequences of your actions. Please, no. Please don't. Please don't. Oh, I will. Oh, no. Please, get it out. Not until you tell me. Not until you tell me where the Chaos Emerald is. Or I'll shove it even deeper. Please. I'm telling the truth, I don't know. Why does this have to happen to me? Tell me now, or I'll shove it even deeper. Fine. Oh, I guess I kind of know. My odd cloth told me it was in this weird dimension called Casinoto. You need a wedding ring. Lies! That'll teach him. Yeah, a big liar. It's probably not there. He's dead. Now let's get him to. Ow, that hurt. I have the pain. I tricked you. Now he doesn't remember that I said that. What happened? You took the emerald. Now, I had enough pain. Sir, you need some therapy. I had the therapy 10 years ago. You need some more. Hey, no, I don't. You must die. No, you must die. I'm tired. I gotta get to bed. Back up, sir. Back up. Sir, back up. Back. Oh. Sir, back up. Sir, back up. What are we here for? A hedgehog who defeated the most powerful creature in the world who works for us. We need it to work for us. We do. Yes! In the name of the law. Yeah, in the name of the law. We make the law? Yeah, we make the law. We must get it. Grab a weapon and defeat this hedgehog. We must kidnap the hedgehog. He's in a bed. Oops. Oh no. There's more people. We need you. No, you don't. No, sir. We can talk about this man. Think about it before you. Oh, I gotta get. I don't feel good. I was killing. You're right. No, I'm not. Thank you. By the way, thank you for watching. If you want more Mario content, please get us 220. By the way, I gotta kill this guy for the video ends, of course. I'll leave you alive. Psych. No. Please. Any last words, evil man? Yes. You don't have friends. I have backup. Mario's gonna kill him. Oh! Let's go. Mario would like to know why you're so short in customers. I don't know. Too bad you're gonna die. Yeah, that what was I doing? Yeah, I was killing you. Please, watch. Oh! like that. You're dead now. Ha, ha. Thank you for watching. Da, 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 da. Subscribe until we get 22. Mario. Woo!